This is the before of this 2020 Ram 1500 that we're gonna be doing a leveling kit, tires, and new wheels. So on this 2020 Ram, we're doing these 2-inch lifted struts. It's gonna level out the truck. It's gonna make it look very nice. And it's also gonna keep similar to stock ride quality. So if you're looking to level out your truck, these are a good option. We're also gonna be putting these Nitto Ridge Grapplers in a 295 5520. Check out the tread. One of the best treads right now in the tire industry. It's got that aggressive look and it performs really well on road and off-road. And then the wheels, these Fuel Rebels in a 20x10 -18 offset. Okay, this is the finished product of the 2020 Ram 1500 on 295 55 20-inch Nitto Ridge Grapplers, 20x10 Fuel Rebels, -18 offset. This is how much it pokes out if you're thinking of doing this kind of build. No rubbing, test drove it, no rubbing with the 2-inch loaded struts. Very nice ride. The 2-inch loaded struts from Upcountry kept a really nice ride quality similar to factory. This is the rear. Turned out very nice, you know, definitely a better upgrade than stock. Makes the truck look much more aggressive, has a leveled look. Those are the loaded struts from Upcountry Nitto Ridge Grapplers. If you guys need a leveling kit package, lift kit package, wheels and tires, sound systems, we do it all here at Cosmos Truck Accessories. Leave us a comment or visit us in store, 33rd Avenue in Van Buren, Phoenix, Arizona.